Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange bringing you a review of this week's stock market. This was a holiday week with markets closed on Monday. On Tuesday, in the absence of significant economic news, China and the Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting next week dominated investors' minds. China's economy showed more evidence of slowing as their exports declined 5.5% year over year in August, and their imports fell 13.8%. However, the Shanghai Composite finished the day with a gain of 2.9%, and this encouraged markets. The Dow Industrials ended the day up 390 points or 2.42%. On Tuesday, markets gave back much of the gains, with the Dow Industrials closing down 239 points, with blame partially going to a sharp drop in oil. The JOLTS job opening report for July was up 3.9%, considered very strong. On Thursday, jobless claims for the week ending September 5th were down 6,000 to 275,000, and import prices for August were down 1.8% month over month. Markets ended the day modestly higher. On Friday, the producer price index for August was released, and it was unchanged. Analysts had expected a 0.1% drop. Markets opened modestly lower due to uncertainty over whether or not the Fed will raise rates after its meeting next week. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Yahoo shares gradually decreased about 4% Tuesday to close just below $31 after the U.S. Internal Revenue Service denied the company's request to review in advance potential tax liabilities when it spins off its stake in Alibaba. Yahoo was hoping they would get approval for a tax-free spinoff. However, now it's unknown if the government will allow it. Both Staples and Office Depot shares rallied early this week after an analyst from B. Riley upgraded Office Depot. Both companies have agreed to a $6.3 billion merger, and the analyst said it was unlikely that antitrust regulators will object. Trading in Quicksilver stock was halted on Wednesday after the struggling surf apparel maker filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection for its U.S. business. According to a company filing, Quicksilver has assets of over $100 million and liabilities of more than $500 million. Quicksilver stock has lost almost 80% of its value relative to Tuesday's closing price. Apple shares dropped Wednesday after the company's new line of products didn't impress investors. Apple's unveiling included updated iPhones, a larger iPad, and a new television set-top box, among other upgrades. Lululemon Athletica reported their second quarter earnings that beat estimates. The company stated earnings of 34 cents per share on revenue of $453 million, beating estimates of 33 cents per share on revenue of $446 million. Despite the good news, shares were down more than 8% during Thursday's pre-market trading, mainly due to a disappointing guidance that the company offered. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.